In this quick video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on your Mac in just a few simple steps. First, open Finder, then go to your application folder, find the app you want to delete, click and drag it to the trash in your dock, then right click on the trash and select empty trash to completely remove it. You can also uninstall apps from Launchpad. Click and hold on any app until they start to jiggle, then click the X on the app you want to delete. This only works for the apps installed through the App Store. Some apps leave behind extra files. To remove those, open Finder, press Command-Shift-G and type /library. Look in folders like Application Support, Caches and Preferences for anything related to the app and delete it. If you want a cleaner uninstall, try a free tool like App Cleaner. Just drag the app into it and it will find all related files for you, and that's it. Quick and easy ways to uninstall apps on your Mac.